Men are struggling, depression is rising, suicide rates are climbing, but no one's talking about it. Instead of helping men, society is telling them masculinity is the enemy, that their natural instincts, to provide, to protect, to lead, are somehow wrong. Today's man is caught between two worlds. One side tells him, be strong, be a provider, be the rock. The other side tells him, no, that's outdated. Men need to be softer, more sensitive, less masculine. And when he doesn't know which path to take, he shuts down. He suffers in silence. For years, men were told their job was to build, to protect, to lead, but today, those same traits are called toxic. What happens when you tell an entire generation that who they are is wrong? That their instincts, to be strong, to take charge, are dangerous? They start to believe it, and they start to break. Depression in men doesn't always look like sadness. It looks like isolation, anger, recklessness, drowning in work, drinking too much, or taking risks just to feel alive. And the saddest part? No one is asking why. Let's get one thing straight. Masculinity is not the problem. Masculinity is discipline, it's resilience, it's leadership, strength, and responsibility. Strong men don't oppress the world, they build it. If no one else is going to tell you this, I will. You are needed. Your strength, your leadership, your presence. The world doesn't need weaker men, it needs stronger ones. The world is trying to silence you. Don't let it. Stand up, speak out, be the man you were meant to be. Like, share and join the conversation. Let's redefine what it means to be a man.